Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to start an oil perfume business properly. And when I say properly, I really mean it. I'm not talking about mixing random things. I'm not talking about following one recipe. I'm talking about how to properly build a brand. This is a question that I often get asked. So many people, they are interested in starting, but they are often confused. They don't know where to start. They don't know what matters, and they don't know what turns this into a real business or what turns it into trial and error. Now, there's something I've noticed from experience. I've seen that some people, they watch one video and they feel like that is enough to start their own business. They feel like that is enough to start a brand. But the truth is, one video cannot help you to start a brand properly, because there are other things that you actually need to know. So if you watch one video, it's just one recipe. What happens when customers come back for something else? What are you going to do? Are you going to sell one recipe forever? I know that your answer is no. And this is the reason why perfume is not built on one formula, but it is built on structure. Now, there are two types of oil perfume business out there. The first type is where you buy popular perfume oils, you rebottle them, and then you sell them. Yes, people make money from this type, but today's video is not all about this type. Today's video is about building your own scent style, building your own perfume brand from scratch, so that when people smell your perfume, they can recognize it as yours. And to do this, everything starts with understanding. So first, you have to understand exactly what it is you are selling. And this brings us to the question, what exactly is oil perfume? An oil perfume is a type of perfume that is made without alcohol. The scent is carried in oil, and this is the reason why oil perfume sits closer to the skin, it lasts longer, and it is much softer. And listen to me closely, you are not just selling a scent, you are actually selling identity. I know you may be confused, but hold on, let me explain something to you. So for example, somebody that is selling glow oil, the person is not actually selling the glow oil in itself. The person is selling a function. Before people buy the glow oil, they want to know what the glow oil does. Does it glow the skin? Does it lighten the skin? Does it brighten the skin? What exactly does this glow oil do? And it depends on the function of the glow oil that will make people to buy or not. So with perfume oils or oil perfume, you are selling a scent identity. You are selling how a person feels when they walk into a room. You are selling how this oil sits on the skin. You are selling how the oil opens up. You are selling how the oil behaves after a long period of time. So first and foremost, you have to understand this concept before anything else. Now, I'm going to start talking about the things that you need to start your oil perfume business. And the first thing that you need is a base. Now, there are two types of popular bases out there. One is IPM and the other one is DPG, which is dipropylene glycol, and IPM is isopropyl myristate. Now, DPG is different from just propylene glycol. They are two different things, so please take note. So from my experience, I personally prefer IPM because IPM is light and it absorbs fast, and there's just something about IPM that I personally prefer. DPG is also good and also popular, and it sits heavier on the skin, and it lasts longer as well. And the truth is, you cannot really say one is better than the other because it all boils down to preference. And the only way for you to understand which one you prefer is to actually buy these things and test them and use them, and then you can make your own choice. So you need a base, and IPM and DPG are two of the most widely used professional bases that you can pick from. Now, the next thing you need are your fragrance oils. So there's a huge misunderstanding about fragrance oils out there. Some people say fragrance oils are just for candles, but that is not the truth. Fragrance oils come in different quality and in different grades. I know there are cheap fragrance oils out there. There are roadside fragrance oils, but there are also premium industrial grade fragrance oils that are safe for the skin. Now, what makes your perfume to smell cheap or to appear cheap is not fragrance oils, it is poor blending and poor quality materials. So this is why you have to be careful where you buy your materials. Make sure you buy premium industrial grade fragrance oils and you're good to go. Now, professionals don't start from zero, like they don't start making their scents from zero. We use something called accords or bases. And bases here, they are different from the IPM and DPG. And a premium quality fragrance oil functions as your base. All you have to do is to refine and lift it. And this brings us to aroma chemicals and fixatives. So, what are aroma chemicals and fixatives? Aroma chemicals and fixatives are your tools, and this is where you go from mixing into formulation. Aroma chemicals, when used correctly, can lift a dull scent and it can smoothen out a rough scent, and just makes everything to be better. While fixatives are the things that makes your scent to last longer, to last for hours on the skin. Aroma chemicals and fixatives are the things that take your scent, your product, from a casual blend to a professional product. So you don't need to rush into all of these things because some of these materials are really expensive and some of them come in powder form that requires learning. So if you want to scale your brand properly, you cannot avoid learning about them. So perfume is not all about one recipe, it's all about structure and understanding. And if you don't know how a scent works, you will not be able to fix it when there's a problem with it. And understanding also gives you confidence to be able to defend your brand and also keep your customers coming back. So basically, if you're just starting out, all you have to do is to pick a base, IPM or DPG. You choose 3 to 5 fragrance oils. You choose one aroma chemical and one fixative, and then go ahead to mix it up. Make a very nice recipe, a very nice blend. Test it on your body, test it with other people and see how it performs, and then you can start from there. But if you need proper guidance before you go and waste your money, you can reach out to me because I have everything ready in my fragrance class. So I hope this video gives you clarity on how to start your own oil perfume business, how to start your own brand from scratch. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also feel free to drop your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.